Focaccia prosciutto sandwich today with basil and lettuce tomato. As you can see, the olive oil has been cooked into with our onion and mushrooms. So this will be tasty. Let's give this a try. Oof. Lots of flavor, lots of aroma. Wow, this is just great. You need to try this at home. It's so simple and quick and easy. If you're looking for a sandwich that's different, there's a touch of Italian, this is the one for you. All right, until next time, remember to hit the subscribe button, Amazing Kitchen button, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.